Beautiful girl in my sight, lighting up the darkest night with a smile so pure and bright. You make everything feel right. Every moment feels like gold, even when the night turns cold. In your eyes a story told, such a love can't be controlled. Oh, beautiful girl of mine, hearts beat in perfect time. With you the stars align.
Our everlasting and sovereign Father, we praise and glorify your name. Thank you for the life of Andrea, whom you blessed beyond measure. You blessed her with a very loving and responsible mother, family and relatives who take good care of her. Grant the desires of her heart today and for all the days to come. May everyone enjoy this momentous occasion in the life of Andrea this night. Bless the program we have prepared from the start up to the end.
And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let us all rise and welcome the star of the evening, our beautiful
Andrea. In my heart, you hold my hand, never let me go. Your love always strengthens me. Your love flows, giving me life. In your embrace I find peace. I will no longer fear, for your love is faithful forever. When the storms come crashing in, you remain faithful by my side. You bring peace, calm in my soul. Your love will never end. Your love flows, giving me life. In your embrace I find peace. I will no longer fear, for your love is faithful forever. When the storms come crashing in, you remain faithful by my side. You bring peace, calm in my soul. Your love will never end. I surrender to your hands. You will always lead my life. Only in you, Lord, I trust. Your love endures forever. Your love flows, giving me life. In your embrace I find peace. I will no longer fear, for your love is faithful forever.
a big hand for Mr. John Lawrence Arania.
I see your face. Every day is a dance in this crowded space. Your laughter rolls like waves on the shore. Oh baby, I love you more and more. When the sun sets and the stars appear, I feel your heartbeat whispering near. This endless feeling I can't ignore. Oh darling, I love you more and more.
Again, ano ang favorite banding nila ni Papa niya? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Abang lusot, why ang gamay ka pang overtake? Nung nakibot man sa ipa. Name?
Charity.
Charity, anong favorite banding ni Andrea kan ni Papa niya?
Ice cream bunting. Kaya kaunsa na kang ice cream pagtapos ng klase sa may
Kaduro ka sabat, duro ka rason. Bailam, abi mo tsakto. Sala! Isa pa. Sino yung mga pukat? Si Tintin, kapag laktod. Anong favorite banding nila ni Papa niya?
Magsimba kung Domingo.
Magsimba kung Domingo or going to church every Sunday. Yes, correct! Abi palakpa ba kay Tintin? Okay, next question. Favorite food? Food ni Andeng. Ken.
My chicken.
Chicken is?
Correct!
Correct! Ano ang wallpaper sa phone ni Andeng? In 5, 4, 3,
Si Rao nga nag-aangay ka daw.
sino? Si Lawrence. Ken, may premyo ka man. Duwa ka mo ni Aifa. Kayo sa effort. E for effort. Thank you. Congratulations. Sabi palakpak everyone. Favorite song ni Andeng? What's your name lang ga? Joshua. Ano ang favorite song ni Andeng?
Bawat piyesa.
Bawat pyesa is... Correct! Congratulations! Nanalo ka ng Bigasan Showcase. Thank you so much! Ano dream job ni Andeng? What's her name, Langga?
Chika.
Shika. Alright, Shika, what is her dream job?
Psychologist.
Psychologist is...
Correct.
Correct! Abi, malakpak para kay Kisha? Shika! Alright, thank you so much, ate girl. I call on Mr. Pepito Magluyan Jr. Bata si Pepito? Oh, uy! Thank you po! Miss Alvin Viña Caballero! Happy birthday, Nini Nicole! We're so happy of you. This gift, amali siyang bagay nga feeling ko daw hindi na siya ma-complete, pero I know Papa is happy for you. Amali siyang picture nga daw may moringat ka paligado. Hindi mag-give. Oh, Papa is happy for you. Feeling ko upod ng mga angels na sobrang nga nagawa. Love you so much. Yay. Miss Glidel Ferrares.
Nicole, happy birthday! Kung ginanglan mo, dyan lang kami permi. Kag, yamon lang makabuot ka permi. Kag kung ano man yung mga problema mo, dyan lang kami tanan. Kag, happy kami tanan para kanimo. Natani nga, maabot mo ang handom mo sa kabuhit mo. Kag, maging happy ka. Happy birthday, Nicole.
Alright, can we please have Dick Biliesa?
Nay, happy birthday lang. Wish ko lang niyo, i-pursue lang ang dreams mo. Wala. Ang gift ko kanimo, something mamot ka kung kanadlaw. Wala na.
Hindi na mabaktan. Mahamot siya ano kadlaw. Alright, a big hand kay Mr. Biliesa. Thank you so much. Can we please have Preso J. Magluyan?
Now that you're turning 18 and become a woman, I wish that all your wishes be come true. You can dream big, but this gift symbolizes that always be practical in life, because life is not easy. Thank you.
Miss Rudy. Madam?
Actually, I don't have any idea regarding of your life, but in the past 4 years that I've been part of this family, I'm very thankful and honored to be here today to celebrate on your 18th birthday. Happiest 18th birthday, our Bills debutant. Welcome to Legality. This gift, I bought this at SM only. And actually, I forgot to get the price tag. Kagina ko lagi chicken bukan para kuhaon. Pero kahuluya man ano. Pero actually, amo na nga gift. You can always bring this in your daily gala. This symbolizes as well as my pure love because the color of this gift is color white. I love you and happiest birthday again.
Wow! Palakpak kay Miss Rudy!
Then, why did glad si Tito? Because of some personal matters. But I know nga, Tito will be always happy nga kita mangod bisan duro do na karadora and tingbon ko latanan karon kung akon don nga message. Ang gift na is something fluffy, something pwede mo mahag, pwede mo mamnul bitbit. Kay para turog ka nga daan sa classroom.
Para turog sa classroom, pinabuking pa. Alright, thank you so much. A round of applause, please, kay Kapitan.
Nicole, happy 18th birthday. Wish ko nga matuman ang imong handog sa kabuhi. Kag ang akong gift sa imo, pwede mo di madala kunin ka maagto. Thank you.
Yung madala din ka makadto. Let's proceed kay Faye Francisco.
I'm so proud because witness ko ang imong one decade. So happy birthday and in behalf of Rocky and Francisco family. Ari kami tanan nga mag-support sa imo kag nagapalangga. So as you continue your journey on this milestone, please grow beautifully, not only in appearance but in heart. Ang gift ko sa imo is something that for your first travel abroad, madala mo ini kasama ang imo partner sa life phone. Tapos, ang isa nga ini, dahil ikaw ay princess, bagay na bagay ni sa imo. Happy 18th birthday.
Thank you, Tita Faye. Abiye, balakpak pa kay Tita Faye. Alright, can we please have another Adelpha Mallorca?
Sariwat may gabi kaninyo tanan. Salamat sa pag-invitar. Doon nagdibom ako subong. Na-feel ko man niya. Oh, parang yun. Hindi, pero Arya, hindi ko mag-ibi. Happy birthday. Siguro kunwari si papa mo, mas super happy kapag pero bisan wala di sa subong kita yan ka nga super happy kapag bisan paano malayo si mama mo siya agad surprise siya ka gani eskwela mayan ara lang si papa mo nagaubay sa imo. Happy birthday. Yagip ko gali kung maglayas ka do hindi mo man siya mapuslan pero masudlan mo siya. Thank you.
Anami ka gift. Thank you, Kagawad. Palakpak para kay Kagawad. Oo, pinasahi. Okay, a big hand. Palakpak kay Mr. Stephen Ray De Paz.
Good evening. Happy 18th birthday. Ano ba kayo mambal ko man? I know proud si Papa mo subong. And then, make him more proud by aiming in reaching your dreams someday. Okay, ang gift ko, nagpabuling po kasi sa bahay, hindi ko pa. So, I think this can be useful and I put something, a little bit of something inside. Tani magustuhan mo. Happy 18th birthday.
Wow, thank you, sir.
Nini, happy 18th birthday. Stay happy lang. And I know, isa dyan sa classic papa mo. Ang gift ko kanimo is magamit mo din na maging healthy ka per me, okay? Happy birthday.
Thank you. Congratulations. Natouch ako na nadulaman ko to ba? Thank you sa kay Miss Presa J. A big hand, palakpak kay Miss Presa. Mrs. Aida Sugano. Ang Lola, the one and only.
Happy 18th birthday ni. Ni talaga ka doon tapuson mo kitihan doon para nga kita ka katawan naman si mama. Ha? Pagmaalagaan si mama. Happy birthday. Walang daya.
Thank you sa kay Lola Aida Sogano. Happy palakpak sa aton 18 treasures.
Happy 18th birthday. Dalaga ka na. Wish ko lang si mo. Mayad lang alawas. Balaan ko si papa mo. Galantaw subong. Proud ko si papa mo kanimo. Tani, maging responsible ka na sa ano mo. Proud kid ko sa isa ka bagay nga hindi mo mabuhat. Pero mabuhat mo like ligad, nag-send ka sa itlog, nagambal ka sa akon, nga may asin na ta. Doon na kibotid ko bala nga nag-send ka sa ako, nagambal ka nga mahaw ta. Mga mo na nga bagay, happy na ko na nga mambal mo sa akon. Biskan hindi ko showisi mo, na-appreciate ko gida. Tani, pinsaran mo gid permi nga ari lang ko para si mo. Before takabiyaan, gusto ko nga kaya mo na tanan. Pipirit ko gid nga kaya nun sang lawas ko, subong biskan kapoy ko, ang mag-atid lang sa tipo mo. Basta mo na tandaan mo, palangga, padya ko.
On this special day of your life as a woman now, my love, I remembered everything when you still a baby inside my tummy for 9 months. Hambal ko na hadlok pa ako bilang isa ka nanay at a young age. I thought it's the hardest part of my life as a mother, but I realized it's the happiest day of my life. Kalipay ang nagpulos sa kahadlok nga napatyagan ko that time sa magwakaw sa kalibutan nga siya nga naging kumplito ang pamilya nga tatlo. You are my big treasures I always cherish in love, my love and my beautiful lady now. When you were born, my only wish to you was to see you grow up strong, healthy, and happy life. Before I walk abroad, I have so much memories with you and Papa. We were laugh, played together with your Papa. Ang ginadugsing ta before magturog kag magbugtaw. Ang ginakahidlawan ko, shared jokes, especially Papa, in how kasabad kaninyo bisan katurog ako. But worth it, importante happy kita nga tatlo. I always remember Papa is always there for you in all school activities. Your birthday party, your graduation day, kag sa tanan mo mga special days, Papa is there with you when you need Him. Because Mama is not around all the time, nagmanano man tanan nga pangabudlay ni Mama working abroad para kanimo sa future mo. Now I'm saying sorry for how long years nga ako permi sa tanan mo nga mga achievements. Sorry my love, tanan nga sakripisyo, tanan nga makasubok, inaantos ko para matao ko tanan nga gusto mo kag sa pamilya nato. And now I fulfill all your wish and dreams to have this, your devout party. Also, Papa dreaming about this. Now I succeed to give you this party you want. But Papa gone already. He's not with us in person,
watching over us now and is very proud to be her daughter. Proud mama here for you, anak. And I know Papa is very happy right now. His dream in reality now. But now, he's gone. We miss you so much, Papa, in heaven. I thought being a mom would be hard, but waking up every day and loving you is the easiest things in the world. Congratulations, as you're turning at the legal age now. Stay curious, stay humble, and kind. Have faith in God-fearing daughters of God. Stay in love to all the people that loves you. Appreciate and give thanks to all the people who cares and love you. Kag sa pamilya nga nag-atipan, kag nagatao ka mayad nga matawhay nga istaran para mayad man ang life nga maabtan mo. Generous kag mabuot nga mga tawo, kas Pipito Magloyan, Nini Anadjika Magloyan, salamat kid kaninyo nga tanan. Kag sa tanan nga mga kabalyero, kag sa pamilya ko, salamat man. But now, listen, my love. Remember, everyone you meet knows something you don't know. Build your resilience. Happy 18th birthday, sweetie. Wishing you another year filled with success and happiness. Now you're officially an adult, and you can turn your dreams into reality. Lastly, all my wish for you is to finish your study and find a job for your future endeavors.
Rob, sa 3 years ng pagsasama natin, kahit man na hindi tayo araw-araw nakikita, sa 3 years na LDR, thank you kasi you're always there for me, and I promise na I will always there for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Now you can blow the candles.
Celebrate, celebrating you. Happy, happy birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday to
Tonight
you.
is a very special moment para kanakon, and hindi dyan mahimutanan kung without the love and support of the amazing people in my life. First and foremost, to my mama, thank you for everything na nahimo mo kanakon, sa love, sa sacrifices, kag for making this day possible. You've given me so much, and words will never be enough to express how grateful I am for you. I love you so much, Mama. And to my Tita Arian, thank you for organizing everything to make this party successful. I know how much effort gid na obra mo para diya, even though it was very stressful kanimo. I appreciate gid tanan mga nahimo just to make this day perfect for me. I love you, Ta. And to Auntie Ping, Nini Prisa, and Tito Pito, thank you for helping me for all the efforts and sa pag-guide kanakon sa mga decisions, from the big tasks to the small ones. To Tito Nino, thank you for boosting my confidence with your makeup. To Renz and his lolo, thank you for being here. To Tito Alvin, Tito Rudy, and to everyone who helped with the food, decorations, and all the little things nga naupra diya tulad nga adlaw. Thank you so much gid sa time kag sa effort. To my family, Lola Bukay, Lola Nimya, and Lola Letty. To my friends, thank you so much. I'm blessed to have you all in my life.
Blessings and God bless us. Cheers!